As you can see, we've now added our fiberglass patches to the holes. They look really good, slightly higher than the surrounding fiberglass. Don't think we're going to have to add anything else to this. I think it's just simply now a matter of sanding and priming and getting ready to paint. Alright, we lost the battery on our other camera, so I'm not sure how much of the sanding we got, but we went ahead and sanded it down, and we wiped it down really good with acetone a couple of different times. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some body filler and smooth out the holes in it, the pits and so forth, and hopefully it'll turn out well. All right. Hardened way too fast. I said that stuff hardened way too freaking fast.
Put way too much hardener in it.
Yeah. Yeah, that didn't work. Try that again. Fail. Always a darn learning curve, you know. Alright, well, I learned something. Huh? I learned that didn't freaking work. Oh, this looks a little better here. Maybe I got it right this time. Already tested it, seemed to be dry, so let's do some sanding. Alright, I believe we're pretty close now. Mix up another batch and skim us another coat, and we'll be close to being done, I think. That's yucking up there.
Cake icing does that when you smear it too much.
Huh?
Cake icing does that when you smear it
What's
too
that?
much. It gets those rough places in it.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Something just happened right there. Oh man, I just dug every bit of it out right there. And it's hardening. Get that crap out of there.
Just like cake icing.
Huh?
Just like cake icing.
It hardened. I didn't get it smooth as I wanted. Oh well. It'll definitely take another time.
The other side looks good.
Huh?
The other side looks good.
Oh yeah, but that one's pretty rough there. Isn't it? That's all right. All right, we've sanded this down part of the way. We still got some stuff to do here, and then we're gonna have to go back and put this one more little skim coat on it, I think, and then we can go back and block it, and I think we'll be good to go. So let's do a little sanding here. Well, it got bright, didn't it? I feel a few places in it, but by and large, I'm pretty satisfied with it. I think another good skim coat may just about take care of this. I surely hope so. All right, we didn't record the last bit of this, but we went ahead and put another skim coat on and sanded that off, and I'm pretty much satisfied with what we've got here. I'll have to block it on down, but I think I'm about as close as I can get without doing that, and I'm happy with what it is. I don't think I could have done really much better, so hey, for a novice, I'm happy. So as long as it don't fall out when I'm going down the road.